Welcome to the OneCloud Android and iOS User Guide. Today we will be teaching you what you need to know for the OneCloud app on your Android or iOS devices. To begin using the OneCloud mobile app, you'll need your login details located in the welcome email. If you don't have them, simply ask your OneCloud administrator or your OneCloud install team to send you a welcome email. This email will include your login name and extension number, along with instructions for setting up your password and voicemail PIN. If you haven't received your OneCloud welcome email or it's expired, no worries. Just head over to myoncloud.com and hit the "Are you a new user?" button right under the main login box. Simply enter your extension and email address, hit send, and voila! You'll get a fresh, shiny welcome email sent straight to you. Once you've received your credentials, head to the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android to get the OneCloud mobile app downloaded. In the App Store or Google Play Store where it says search for the OneCloud mobile app. Hit the download button to download the mobile app to your mobile device. When downloaded, open the app and get ready to log in. To log in, enter your extension in the following format. Extension at company followed by your password. Don't forget, your welcome email has all the details you need for your login name. Once you're logged in, prompts to allow notifications and microphone will pop up. Accept these prompts for the app to run smoothly. Let's take a quick look around. Starting from the bottom left, you will see your contacts icon, voicemail icon, chat and SMS, call history, and menu button. You will also see a dial pad icon. This will be used to make calls or when using the chat feature. Let's start with your contacts. When you navigate to the Contacts tab, you'll find your comprehensive contacts list. During the app installation, you're prompted to grant access to your phone's contacts. If you give the green light, your list will include both your OneCloud and mobile devices' contacts. However, if you opt out, you'll solely see contacts from your OneCloud directory. Need to narrow it down? Just hit the Contacts drop-down list at the top left of your screen to filter. If you're looking to add a new contact, tap the plus symbol on the top right, fill in the details, and hit the checkmark icon to save. Need to edit an existing contact? No problem. Open the contact, tap the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner, select Edit, make your changes, and hit the checkmark icon when you're satisfied. To delete an existing contact, open the contact, tap the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner, and select Delete. Keep an eye on the chat bubble next to a user's avatar. If the contact is part of your organization, you can see their status, or as we like to call it, presence. Blue means they're online, green means they're available, red indicates they're on a call, and gray means they're inactive or logged out. Let's talk about voicemail. When a new voicemail lands in your extension, a notification bubble pops up in your app, alerting you right away. Selecting the voicemail tab allows you to view and listen to your voicemails. Clicking on the voicemail itself opens up additional possibilities. You can call back the original caller, save the voicemail for later, forward it to another extension, view contact information, or simply delete it. Plus, with the slider, you can easily play back any part of the voicemail. To access your saved mailbox, tap the voicemail drop-down at the top left corner of the app. Your voicemail box has a default 10 megabytes limit and won't delete new or saved messages automatically. Once the limit is reached, new messages won't be accepted. Deleted voicemails go to the deleted folder and are erased nightly from the OneCloud platform. The Chat SMS tab allows you to chat directly with your colleagues, and if you've got SMS enabled on your account, you can also send out text messages straight from your business DID, direct inward dial. Now let's dive into the Call History tab. The Call History tab neatly organizes all your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Every entry is clearly marked with an icon showing if it's incoming, outgoing, or missed. If you want more details, click on any call record for additional options like viewing the time and date of the call, calling back the original caller, sending a message, or even adding them to your contact list. The menu icon, located to the right of the Call History tab, offers a range of additional options. Here, you'll discover handy features such as editing your profile, adjusting answering rules, customizing voicemail greetings, accessing application settings, viewing app information, and logging out. Selecting My Profile enables you to modify your custom status message, name, and email. Note that some of these features might be restricted depending on your organization. After making your changes, click the checkmark icon to confirm. Answering rules enable you to control call routing on your device according to specific times. You can only add answering rules in the portal. After programming your desired answering rule in the web portal, you can view the active rule, identified by a blue dot next to its name. To prioritize your rules, click the Sort button in the top right, then use the 3 horizontal lines icon next to each rule to drag and drop them into your preferred order. Greetings allows you to add or change your current voicemail greeting. The active greeting is highlighted with a check mark for easy identification. To craft a new greeting, simply tap the plus icon located at the top right. Need to tweak an existing one? Just select it to reveal your options, play it, set it as active, or bid it farewell with a delete. Within the settings, you can customize how the application operates to better suit your needs. The default calling method allows you to adjust how your OneCloud mobile application places calls. OneCloud utilizes your cell phone's Wi-Fi or mobile data to place or receive calls. This option is beneficial when you have a stable internet connection. Mobile phone: the phone system will call the configured mobile number first and then connect to the originally dialed number. This method is useful when you prefer not to use your data plan or when internet service is unreliable. Choose before each call: the application prompts you before each call, giving you the option to choose between the callback method or OneCloud Mobile. This option provides flexibility for each call you make. Alright, now that you can navigate your app, let's make some calls. To place a call, you will need to access the dial pad, press the icon in the bottom right. From this menu, you can dial extensions or external numbers to place calls. When receiving an incoming call, you will see OneCloud Audio listed under the contact's name and/or number. To distinguish it from calls directly to your cell phone, you will have the option to answer or reject the call. When on an active call, you are presented with the following options: speaker, mute, hold, add call, transfer forwards a call to another number, switch phone sends an active call to your other phone, more toggles call recording on off, contacts opens the contact list, red phone icon disconnects the call. While on an active call, press the switch phone button and you will get the option to change what phone you are using. Select which phone you'd like to switch the call to and your phone will ring. Answer the call on your phone and now your call has now been moved. Thank you for joining us on this training. For more information and trainings on our product, visit us at support.onecloud.com and we'll see you in the next series.